Hadin ka jinglap UIED bom hinnen ka sngi ka Sauterik Risau hakamat ka office NPP halachumer Shillong kabalakam bat bakli daga sang HNLC hakabay day bagatay ka jingbu UIED bom. Nakaliang menteri rang ba ka jela u Konrad Konggal sangma ula keno bakala banday ka jingesla politics halor ka te ka jingbu UIED bom hakamat ka office NPP. Menteri ka kampo ing jong ka jelau ba lakman rembui menta ka singi ka Santerik Risau ula kentai je ka te ka jingkono menteri rangba da ka ba ulaong ba kamdon kanu ka jingesla politics halor ka jinglej bu yau bom IED hakhardop jong ka office National People Party da ka baong ba ka kamsniu ka dehi ka kamsniu hakmar ka jong u bar halor ka ne ka benta onda yo e ka kaipot ka ba pura hangta on sanang banong ba ka de ka jingesla politics ne kiwe kidau. Habay day bat ka jingsha berngem yaki menteri haki sengking atiar menteri ka kampo yeng uloong baka day ka kamram jong ka sorkar jela ban pentikna bakandon ka jingsong suk song sengain jong ki nong song snong haka jela laki day ki menteri lane ki riu ba. Ula benrap ru halor ka jingpen bo niki bor yada lane ki security yaki menteri ka sorkar. Susu lo ongru halor ka jinglej bu yu bom IED haka kherdop jong ka office trekam jong ka NPP uba remboi ulo ong baga jing toket baro kidang ya syakmat haka ba ompat la banong hadu banda yo lut ya ka kaipot bapura on sakran halor ka nega bentang.
Every possibility is looking into it. I cannot rule out anything on this issue because investigation is going on. So until unless I have a concrete information, I cannot divulge much.
So you are looking at the political angles also?
For me, I'm looking at for the security and safety of the people of the state. So for me, that is more important. So whoever may be, that is different issue.
Don't you think there was a complete intelligence failure?
I cannot say it is a complete intelligence failure, but we have to do more.
What step?
We will do all the possible thing which we can do to prevent this type of thing. The spokesperson of the chief minister, so I cannot comment what he say because I didn't till now I don't know what statement he is making. But for me, the security and safety of people is more important, and the police should go deep into this issue so that this could be prevented at the cost.
Last question.
See, it is duty of the government to see that, as I said, it doesn't matter whether a minister or the people. The duty of the government to see is that everybody is safe, secure. So it's duty of the government to see into all these aspects that security of the people in the state is paramount.
So do we expect that?
That it depends upon the analysis of the government.
Do you think that?
See, as I said, I don't want to make a political assessment in this time of on this issue. For me, crime is a crime. So after getting all the input, after getting all the report, then only I can say whether it is a political angle or the angle altogether.
So
no, it will not affect. Investigation will go on as it is.